Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri katanat sports kajala uba awalan kishla haka pradarik no pra ula Pynlong Jingïalang ni mirjimut bagi Samla pule bala Shah Jied kumju kinongwanra anam shwa ka exposure trip jongki banet Jngoh ka president dari India bade shimenta kador bartalang jong ka parliament arja arpusan hak Jingïalang Abhinav Kumar Singh IAS deputy commissioner subdivisional officer Juwai ka Vevo Tolu Kezo IAS assistant commissioner ba F Pasa MCS hapo ka conference hall ka office jong deputy commissioner West Jngoh Hills district hapo ka Jingïalang jong ba awalan miki shila ka jingtmu jong ka program ka long shisha ka job laong deputy commissioner ula airu ka Jingïalang ka SDO Juwai bat ya baro kinong hikai ki bulano senyang buat penslur ki kena school banishim benta shitham ban kli jingkli bat ban penan kam ya ka lat ban te ka jingshanya bat ban pnya ka Jngoh ijingai jongki Abhinav Kumar Singh ula penpau be ni program la perkhat lingba ke Jingïalang bat uba awalan miki shila ban penpau perthei ki Samla shakilinti trikam ba per bat banyarap ki ban sngothu ya ka sab jongki hakani ke Jinglet ki Samla pule kin yo ka lat ban kendu bat ke president jongkari India ban Jngoh ya ka rashtrapati bhavan bat ke museum jongka ban sakhi ke Jingïalang live jongka parliament bat ban Jngoh ru ya ka Nehru planetarium ula pentip sho balada kapor ka ailat la ru banyalami ki Samla pule shiki weipat ke jaka bu jingtho jong ki jaka wat banya hadalhi baro khat nyungut ki Samla pule an sandanlang daki youth icon kenthop ke sawa kani lakyang nong job ya katak maksiar ha kedan jong ki kenthei bikini model bat ke kenthei ba marwei na Meghalaya ke bala job ya ke pro card holder ha ke Jingïalang ke bala Pynlong ha Mumbai ke bala Pynlong de ke South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation Badu Alexander unong job hak Jingïalang arm wrestling but para arm wrestling championship arja arpusan nalor uba Yat Bha Phawa assistant research officer but uba kan phammi ringklem research assistant jong ka planning branch DC office Jawai ban bedinati ki habaro ka we ka program ringkat jiran kambaro kan thop ya ka Leit kawan bat ka jakasa lapen bed daki Borsan Shah district.
So as per the schedule that we have programmed, the students along with the two of the representatives would be going and interacting with the Honorable President of India. They would be having a tour of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, which includes the museum as well. After which, in the post-afternoon session, they will be witnessing a live winter session of the Parliament. As Sir suggested, to also include in science exploration to increase the scientific temper amongst the students, they would be also visiting a Nehru planetarium. We would also request that if at all, not due to paucity of time, if we are able, if we can take them to any other museums or to the archaeological sites in Delhi, and all their logistics and all their traveling things and their housing has been arranged by the district administration, all thanks to Sir for the same as well. And I'm looking forward for more interactive session, and if any of you could volunteer to just express how it has been and what is the feeling from the side of the parents or teachers or from students who would like to come forward and express about that, it would be really grateful. Thank you.
I want to know that what you have done, and through this exposure trip, what change have come on you after this exposure trip. That is, and then please, while you are there, ask many questions as you can. More ask questions. Try to, like I said, try to learn as much as you can. And we will going to continue this program. And as you know from the sports and from the youth affair, we are just recently concluded the state level Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program. I think from you were there. And then after that, we are not stopping only in our state. We will be sending the winners to the National Youth Exchange Program, and to the runners-up, they will be participating in the Northeast Youth Exchange Program. And this year, next year, we are sending two groups. One into Malaysia, the International Exchange Program. One will be sending to Malaysia, and the other group will be sending to Philippines for more exposure. So I want to see from our district also should be there participating, and we'll continue from the district itself. We'll continue this kind of program, and we'll try to come up with some more to give you the opportunity. But now we have started, and you are going to represent our district and the national capitals. And at the same time, it is very important, like we always used to discuss with our DC, it is very important that to have this kind of exposure trip in order to build that excitement, to give you more courage and all. I still remember it was even like one of the students from JNV have already mentioned, I'm also a student from JNV. I still remember why I'm able to stand in front of you here today. It's because of the exposure, because of the opportunity given to me, and I have participated like almost in everything. And whatever my teacher used to tell me, I always do it. If they tell me to dress like a girl also, I'll dress it, because I know they will never send me to do anything bad. So that's why I think I'm here today. So it is for you, it is a great opportunity for you all, and I hope you will enjoy the trip, and please try to learn as much as you can.
Untuk bina program kepada joya kami haka Jngoh misi yang lipo yang punya district which orang mod kami ikrang anggodi potwa dikena yang ina pok district te UMD kenja exposure ke bat jan benda dekemu kini benai ke dem yang district administration dapat le kini competition ke essay writing ke science olympiad bat kam ter de lengpa ni negeri program ada yo ye job but mempuai ga pokok bukan ke district wah ada exposure trip dan ni kata ke live penlimo kata ke platform kenang yo build yo learn yo MD kata courage dan ni kata confident yo boost your confident level yo kena ke down yang district administration da pen create yo ke program ya kini winners nampak kini competition tu boleh hair macam tu lah ini winners naga district level youth engagement program dan arrange program ko yo live dan they visit di Raj Bhawan ya ka president yo dan they champion president of India tahu lagi like Raj Bhawan yo champion president of India mana dia maintain dia tahu attend di yang winter parliament session nang yo kamon ka real parliament crack ko ente yo nang yo boost ya kata interest rani ya kata confident level yo nang wa you begini kena mesti man yo future leaders dan kani ka turun put ke depan itu hendrai kau ya kila jadi museum dan jadi niki museum tu mana innovative dan ter ini program tekan itu agak percang yang ini district administration yo kata exposure ya kata platform yang ini kena yo expose ki ya kini mo da mana like sabar yo kaman da perthai sabar the how competitive kaman man competitive ko nang yo aim be on a higher nang wa mesti man yo future leader ya district ini